So we are picking up with Saxon's Trig, Lesson 4, Constructing Triangles. So in the book, they will provide you with 3 line segments. One short, probably going to go a little longer than that. One short, one longer, and one much longer. And it says use those 3 to create a triangle. So I can trace them or I can leave them in the book. And I want to draw a straight line that is longer than this one. And then I will measure on the book, as long as I'm not making a mark, adjusting my pencil till I get to the end. So I'm copying this line segment basically, repeating that down here. And then I know I don't need the rest of that, but I'm going to leave it for now. Go back and remeasure the middle length one. So I'm going to adjust my pencil till it's hitting the end. And whether I go from here or here doesn't matter with my point, could be either place. And I'm going to make an arc for that length. And then I'm going to adjust again. Oh, you know what? This one's going to be shorter, and I'm realizing I probably need to come closer this way so that I definitely have, oh, that's way too tight. I definitely have space then to make the intersection. So I'm going to adjust until I get the measure of the small one. Now I will go to the side I have not used, and I will make a mark of intersection. Then I'm going to use the end and line up the end with that intersection. Draw the middle length line, intersection to this side, draw the line. That should be the shortest one. And this is a triangle constructed out of those 3 lengths. They show you on the bottom of page 39 what happens if you either don't get an intersection, they're not going to line up correctly. It shows you that you are looking for that intersection that I put there on the page. All right. On page 40, we have constructing parallels. So the constructions we've done up to now have been fairly basic, simple copying of things. Now they are getting a little more complex. So they're going to provide you with a line and a point somewhere up in space. And they say construct a parallel through this point with this. So you're looking for another line basically here running the same direction. Now you cannot just eyeball it. It needs to be precise and just draw a line at this way. So you need an actual construction way to do this. So what you're going to do is begin by lining up your straight edge through the point. I have a little trouble with the spiral on the notebook here. And create an angle is basically what you want to do. Now, from here, you're going to copy this angle up here from this dot. So when you put your point here, you do not want your arc to be way up above where the next piece you're going to work. So you want this angle arc to be underneath the dot that you're working with. Then with the setting the same, come up here and repeat that same arc. And now measure, oh, I'm going to extend my straight edge line just a little bit there. Okay, then point either here or here, but either way, you are adjusting your pencil until you get it to be marking approximately, but well, not approximately, you get it to be marking through the line and the arc. Repeat that from here, because that's the intersection place, and create an arc. So now you should have an intersection and this dot lining up straight, and when you use your straight edge to draw that, these are now exactly parallel because you copied the angle. So if you are recognizing that, this is like parallel lines with your transversal, and if you have an identical alternate interior or alternate exterior or corresponding angle, you definitely have created parallel lines.